Welcome all. We are going to start our 13th lesson, that is multiplication part 2. One lesson, that is 11th lesson, that is measurement, is still remaining. If I get the proper equipments, I am going to teach you soon. So we are going to start our next lesson, that is multiplication part 2. Multiplication part 1 was studied by us earlier. So basically in multiplication part 1, what you have studied? You have studied the lattice method. The box method you have studied. But in this particular step, which you are going to use for your further knowledge or further calculation, we are following this method. What actually it is, that I will tell you. Multiplication it is, so this is a multiplication sign. Okay? Two numbers are given to you. This is 2-digit number, this is single-digit number. So we are going to multiply. When you are knowing multiplication, you can multiply thoroughly. How many digits let it be, you are going to multiply. If you should only know the method of it. So now, just look at this number. You are going to multiply from this part to upwards. From downwards to upwards. So now just see. Here it is 7. Now you are knowing the table of 7. I hope you all will be knowing the table of 7. Tables are must. So 7, you are going to, how you are going to multiply? Just see. One sec. You are going to multiply with this 7 with 3 and then by 7 to this 3. So just see now. 7 3s are how much? Yes, it is 21. Now see here 21 it is. Am I going to write these both numbers over here? No. What I will do? I will write the unit place over here and this 2 which is there, I am going to shift on the head of that 3. So now 7 into 3 we have already did. 7 multiplied by 3 we have already did. Now 7 multiplied by this 3. 7 multiplied by 3 is again 21 and 21 plus this 2, that is 23. So that 23 you are going to write over here. Fine. So we are going to see the next question. 217 into 5. 217 into 5. 5 multiplied by 7. Now how we are going to multiply? You are going to multiply this 5 with 7, this 5 with 1 and this 5 with 2. Okay, we will start. 5 sevens are, we are going to start by this number. 5 sevens are is 35. 3 will be here and 5 will be here. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 1 plus 3 is how much? It is 8. Sorry, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3 is how much? It is 8. And 5 twos are is how much? 10. So now there is no next number, so we have written 10 as it is. So the answer is 1085. So we will see the next question now. You will tell me now you are going to multiply this 3 with 1, 3 with 8 and 3 with 6. Don't do these arrows. This is only for you to understand. First we will start 3 ones are 3 into 1. What is 3 ones are? 3 ones are is 3. Now 3 eights are, what is 3 eights are? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are, sorry, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are is 24. So 4 will be here and 2 will be here. 3 6 are, yes, 3 6 are is 18 and 18 plus this 2 is how much? 20. So the answer is 2043. This method is very easy for you. Only the thing is you should be knowing your tables. So we will see the next part of it. So now we are going to see the next multiplication questions over here. You can see basically the earlier one were what? This downward digit were only single digit. They were only one digit number. But now you are having 2 digit number. So what method we are going to follow? Same method it is, only one step is going to increase over here. First you are going to consider this 4. Why 4? Because 4 is at the unit place. So by this 4 you are going to multiply for this 5 and do this 8. Okay. So now this much is enough for us? No. What about this 2? 2 will also find. Why I am not going to be multiplied? So again what we will do? Again we will multiply this 2 with 5 and 2 with 8. But in next step. So first we will see our basic step, that is we are going to multiply with this 4. That is 5 and 8. Okay. So 4 5s are how much? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So 20, 0 will be here 2 will be carried. 4 8 is 32 and 32 plus 2 is 34. Now, is our calculation over? Not yet. This 2 is still remaining, na? So we are going to calculate with this 2. We will remove these arrows now. And now you are going to take that 2 multiplied by 5 and 2 multiplied by 8. But before doing that, always remember you are going to add extra 0 over here. You are going to add 0 over here. Never forget when you are going for the next step, always add 0. Okay? Let the question be anything. You are going to add 0 over here. So now we will start. 2 5s are 10. 10, 0 will be here, 1 will be on the top. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus this 1, 17. Now we will add them. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 7 is 10. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2040. We will see the next question. Now, with this 4 you are going to multiply this 0 and 6. 4 zeros are 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. So 4 into 0 is 0. And 4 into 6 is 24. Okay. So now what I told you, for the next step you are going to add what? Yes, you are going to add 1 0. Now I will remove these arrows. Now 3 is remaining. 3 into 0 and 3 into 6. Okay. So 3 into 0 is how much? 3 into 0 is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. And 3 into 6 is what? 18. So the addition will be again 2040. Fine. So we are going to see the next question, that is 92 into 18. So what actually the answer is? We are going to see over here. Now what I will do? I will multiply this 8 with 2 and I will multiply this 8 with 9. Okay. 8 2s is 16. 1 over here. 8 9s is 72. 72 plus 1 is 73. Fine. Now I will remove these arrows because my 8 work is already done. Now work is which remaining of 1. So before doing this, what I will write over here? 0. Okay. 1. Now I will multiply this 1 with 2 and 1 with 9. 1 into 2 is how much? 2. And 1 into 9 is how much? 9. I am going to add them. 6 zeros are 6 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 7 plus 9 is 16. So the answer is 1656. So I hope you have understood this. We are going to see the word problems. So now we are going to see the word problems based on multiplication. If one book costs rupees 80, find the cost of 25 such books. Now you have already studied the word problems based on addition, subtraction and mixed one. So now these questions are based on multiplication. How we are going to understand that these questions are multiplication questions? Just see. If one book is costing 80 rupees, suppose now this is one book. Okay. The cost of this book is 80 rupees. But find the cost of 25 such books. 25 such books means what? How many books you are going to take? 25. Are you going to add them 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80? No. When such questions occur, they are giving you price of 1 and they are telling you to find the price of many things. That time you are supposed to do multiplication. So same thing we are going to do over here. We are going to multiply. Okay. So 80 into 25. 80 is what? Cost of one book. And 25 is what? 25 is number of books. Fine. So now we are going to multiply this. 5 zeros is how much? 5 zeros is 0. I am going to multiply this 5 with 0 first and this 5 with 8. 5 into 0 is 0 and 5 8 is how much? 40. Okay. Now, I have told you when there are two numbers at below, then we are going to add 0 here. Now, multiplication by 5 is over, but multiplication by 2 is remaining. So, 2 into 0 and 2 into 8 is still remaining. So, 2 into 0 is what? 0 and 2 into 8 is 16. So, we are going to add them. The answer is 2000. I hope you have understood this question. So, the word problems which are there in textbook, you can try to solve on your own, and we are going to see the next lecture or the next lesson in next period. Thank you.